Hey there, South Florida. Well, what a day. We've got those cloudy skies. Boy, it is downright breezy to windy. Wind speeds still moving in the teens. Now that south-southeast wind is keeping it warm and humid. It is 80 degrees right now already in Miami, 78, Fort Lauderdale, 76, Key West. I know it doesn't look very pretty from our Hollywood beach camp, but that's not stopping you from getting out there and to enjoy it. Look, it's pretty busy out there. I want to remind you that we do have that elevated risk of rip currents as our wind gusts, check it out, are in the 20s already this afternoon. So rough surf is expected again today. Now temperatures will start to warm up again as we get into the afternoon. We will see peaks of sunshine, which will continue to keep our temperatures above average. Check out that area of low pressure. All eyes right now over Texas, associated with a cold front stretching just back in towards New Mexico, which is bringing snow throughout parts of the higher elevations of Texas and New Mexico. And just to the east of that, we still have an associated front soaking parts of the east coast. For us here in South Florida, some of that lingering moisture moving onshore. We will see that chance of some spotty showers today, but the widespread precipitation won't move into the forecast until tomorrow. So severe weather threats staying over the Gulf Coast states today, but tomorrow we will see it shift eastward. We are highlighted under a marginal chance of severe thunderstorms. Remember, in severe thunderstorm weather, we could see the possibility of damaging winds and tornadoes. So keep it tuned to your weather authority going into tomorrow and tomorrow night. Those showers and storms will become more aggressive, and by Thursday afternoon you'll notice a big change because the front will clear. Strong north breeze will provide for cooler, drier, comfortable weather for the weekend.